Bridge. Today we are figuring out our storage underneath our floorboards. It's kind of a cold and windy day, so the boat's a little bit on a heel. We're at the dock and we're gonna pull some boards. So now we've pulled the boards. Now we need to measure each one of the bilge compartments. They're segmented by the ribs of the boat, so we can get some Tupperware that'll fit in each one, and hopefully remember what we put in each one so we can find it later. Alright, so that's about 12 inches, and the deepest section is 8 inches. So this is 12 inches, deep is 8 inches. This is 30 inches plus through hole. But we only actually have access. You know, I should take this measurement just from here to here, because if we put a piece of Tupperware in there, it has to fit through here first before it can lay in the bottom, right? That makes sense. So really, we're not dealing with 30 inches of clearance, we're dealing with 11 and a half. And on this one, at the best, got 16 and a half. Okay. All right, now we need to get to go shopping and spend some more money. Woohoo! Then we can get Tupperware to fit in all of these bins, and then we can start loading on the last of our gear and pack it in, and we'll be good. We got enough containers to fill our bilge, be able to securely store all our supplies we're going to stuff into all these boxes. Thanks for watching, see you next time, and join us again on another adventure of sailing Shadowfax.